Hello guys, and welcome back to this channel. Where today guys, I'll be showing you how to buy Bitcoin on Bitfinex. So guys, the first thing that you of course need to do is go to Google and type in bitfinex.com. After that, you just need to go and log into your profile or register to Bitfinex if you haven't already done that of course. But now guys, let's see what we actually have in front of us here. So as you can see here, we have the trades, we have the lenders, about, we have the more. Also, we have the sign out option, and of course, you can return to platform, or as you can see, start trading by clicking on this middle button here. But now, guys, let's see how you can actually go and buy Bitcoin on Bitfinex. So, you firstly need to go and create an account, as I already told you in the start of the video. Then, of course, you need to go, and click on Start Trading, and you will get to this other screen here where you can, of course, go and trade. Then you need to deposit funds. Go to the deposit page on the, of course, Bitfinex. You can deposit funds using various cryptocurrencies or fiat currencies. Then, after that, when you do that, guys, you need to choose your wallet in cryptocurrency section. Select the crypto you want to use, Bitcoin, and create a deposit address on the exchange wallet. Send the chosen cryptocurrency to the deposit address. Once the funds arrive in the wallet, you can proceed to, of course, go and trade your Bitcoin or buy your Bitcoin. And then you just need to go and navigate to the trading section, select BTC, and place your order. So guys, that will be everything for this video. I hope that you found this video informative and entertaining, guys. If you did, don't forget to like this video, share it, subscribe to the channel, and put the notifications on, as guys, this really helps us grow our channel. So if you have a few seconds, it would be pretty cool if you could do this for us. So guys, as I told you, I hope you enjoyed the video, and I'll be seeing you in the next one. Bye guys.